In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a multi-column drop-down menu in WordPress 2025. Whether you're designing a new site or updating an existing one, implementing a multi-column drop-down can greatly enhance your website's navigation and user experience. This will help you better organize your content, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. So let's dive in and get this feature up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's typically located at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you're like many of us who appreciate convenience, you might want to take advantage of social login options. Click on Continue with Google. This is a handy feature that saves time by using your Google credentials to log in without having to remember another set of passwords. Now you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Go ahead and select the one associated with your WordPress site. Allowing WordPress to access the necessary permissions. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. Look at the right hand panel and under quick links, click on Edit Site. This option is your gateway to customizing your site's look and functionality. It's like your command center for all things design related. Once you're in the editor, you'll need to add a new block. To do this, locate the plus icon, usually positioned at the top left of the editor interface. Click on that plus icon to proceed. In the search bar that appears after you click the plus icon, type in the word columns. Columns in WordPress are incredibly versatile, allowing you to organize content in a structured manner. When you see the columns block appear, click on it. This will bring up options for different column structures. You'll notice a variety of configurations appear, showcasing different numbers of columns you can choose from, be it 2, 3 or more. Consider how you want your drop-down menu to display your options when deciding the number of columns you'll use. Once you've made your decision, simply click to select your desired layout. Based on the number of columns chosen, you can now start customizing each section to fit the content and categories you want to showcase on your website menu. This step is where you can truly tailor the drop-down to your site's needs, ensuring it fits seamlessly with the overall design, aesthetic, and functionality. That's all it takes. In just a few simple steps, you've enriched your WordPress site with a multi-column drop-down menu designed to enhance both aesthetic appeal and user navigation. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to save your changes and preview how it looks on your live site. Thanks for watching and happy web designing.